Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. This is by far the best tasting beef shawarma I've ever made. It is a crowd pleaser, budget friendly, and the meat is so tender. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. And the star of the show is flank steak. It is perfect for this recipe. And I'm making this for a party and it's gonna be a nice centerpiece. I'm using 2 large pieces of flank steak. Each one is about 2 pounds, so 4 pounds in total. I'm gonna remove some of the extra fat, cut the meat into 8 equal pieces. Now I cut them into 4, but later I'm gonna slice them into 8 pieces. And that's just to give it a nice traditional shawarma look. Of course, when cooked vertically. Now let's talk the meat rub or marinade. We're gonna use so many spices, but it's gonna give it a great flavor. You're gonna season with salt, black pepper, coriander, cumin, cardamom, paprika, a touch of cayenne, and you're gonna add garlic powder, onion powder. I'll list all the spices and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And as you can see, I added a touch of nutmeg, freshly grated nutmeg. And the most important ingredient is also vinegar. Use any white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever you prefer. And you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That will ensure the meat will be very tender. Mix well and make sure both sides of the meat are covered well with the spices, vinegar, oil, and baking soda. In any flank steak, there is a part that's thicker than the other part. This is what I do. I cut through just a little bit for even coating of the spices and even cooking. This is optional, but it's highly recommended. I arranged the smaller pieces on top, the bigger pieces on the bottom. Try as much as possible, make it look neat. I'm gonna top with a large onion and marinate at least 4 hours in the fridge uncovered. It's best if it's marinated overnight. I let it marinate for 4 hours and now I'm gonna cook at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do the roast mode or the bake mode. You're gonna cook uncovered for 1.5 to 2 hours. Internal temperature should be at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And I made some simple bread, simple wrap bread to go with the shawarma. It is so simple to make, has only 3 ingredients, the salt, the instant yeast, and the water. I used also bread flour and it turned out great. I have a recipe for this bread on my YouTube channel. Let me know if you need it and I'll send you the link. And I want to let you know that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box as well. Now that the bread is ready, I'm gonna check on the beef shawarma. I'm trying to cook the beef shawarma to medium well. If you like it a little less cooked or more cooked, you can adjust it to your liking. Do 170 degrees Fahrenheit if you like it more cooked. That is out of the oven. It smells and looks heavenly. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes and start slicing. I do very thin slices, just like so. I slice very thin slices all around, and if you like that famous crispy edges shawarma provides, you can put it back in the oven after you slice all around. This will give you another layer of crispy edges, just like you buy in a shawarma shop. 10 minutes in the oven and you've got another crispy edge. Look at that. Look how juicy this meat is. It is so flavorful. All I have to do now is add some tahini, some tomatoes, onions mixed in with some sumac, a touch of pickles, and you've got a great wrap, a great shawarma wrap. Let me know if you need anything else or if you have any question or concern, and I'll see you next time with another video, and bon appetit!